So our next step in the Jacinthe handbag is making the zipper panel part. So I've already gone ahead and marked on all 4 zipper panels, 1/2 inch in from both sides. So 2 of them I'm marking on the correct side. You can see that I've got I marked 1/2 inch there and 1/2 inch in there. And the other 2 I've marked on the back side. So you can clearly see I mark at 1/2 inch and I mark at 1/2 inch. So we're going to take our zipper panel with the markings on the right side, put it face up, take our zipper, and we're going to line up this folded edge at the first mark there, making sure you're lining up the zipper tape with the long edge of your zipper panel. Go ahead and pin that in place. You don't need a ton of pins or anything. So you're going to pin your last pin where your other mark is at the other end. Just as a reminder to yourself, you're not sewing past these marks. Okay, so that's my last pin for that. So now I've got that pin together. So you're gonna take your other panel with the markings on your wrong side, and you're gonna paste it right side down, right over top, making sure everything is nice and lined up. Again, you're gonna pin this down, pin right around the 2 markings, to remind yourself you're not sewing past these markings. I'm going to move my zipper head out of the way. So make sure when you're pinning this, your zipper is face up as well. Okay. So go ahead and do all your pinning, however many pins you feel you need to be comfortable. Okay, so everything is pinned together. You can go ahead and remove those first sets of pins, because the less you have to do while you're sewing, the easier. And you don't want to hit them while sewing, obviously. Now, if you want for the next step, you can use a zipper foot. I don't usually use a zipper foot. I'm quite comfortable not having to use one. So you're going to go ahead and stitch this whole edge down, getting everything all closed down. So I'm going to take out my first pin over here. I'm going to start sewing right where that mark is, not before that mark at all. Make your pins there as you go, so you're not accidentally hitting them with your sewing needle and damaging your machine. That's very, very, very important. Because who wants to take their machine in for repair if they don't have to? So at this point, I can feel that my zipper head is there. So I'm going to go ahead and move my zipper head down because I don't want to sew that zipper pull. Making sure everything's still nice and square. And just keep sewing until I reach that last mark. There. Go ahead and cut that little piece of zipper that's now sticking out between the 2 seams. So next step, you're going to go ahead and iron this out and this out. You want both of these pulled out from your zipper. So go ahead and iron them, and then you're going to go ahead and do the same on this side, attaching zipper panels.